Okay class. Today we will be learning about the top 8 reasons why a terror attack will not happen in Bucharest. Number 8. Saoirse. How dare you burp in class? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Saoirse, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Saoirse, you know you're not allowed to burp in class. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now.
Saoirse, I cannot believe you burped in class and got suspended for 2 weeks at school. That's it. You are grounded for 3 months.
Go to your room now.
Wah wah.